Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
How can this be? I was just holding her like this, and now here I am getting ready to go to her wedding.
It takes waiting for a love like this. Every time we say goodbye, I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I promise you.
I'm the godmother of the bride, the G.O.B.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. And so I'm sailing through the sea to an island where we'll meet. You'll hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flower in your hair.
Though the breezes through the trees move so pretty, you're all I see as the world keeps spinning round. You hold me right here, right now.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
I see your mama and the candles and the tears and roses. I see your daddy walk his daughter down the aisle. I feel my knees start to tremble as I tell the preacher, don't she look beautiful tonight? All the wonderful words in my head I've been thinking, you know I wanna say them all just right. I lift your veil, angels start singing, such a heavenly sight, yeah. Lost in this moment with you, I am completely consumed by feeling so absolute, there's no doubt. Sealing our love with a kiss, waited my whole life for this, watching all my dreams come true.
I, Michael, take you, Jaclyn, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
And I, Jaclyn, take you, Michael, to be my husband. I promise to be good to you in good times and bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
Lost in this moment with you, I am completely consumed by feeling so absolute, there's no doubt. Sealing our love with a kiss, waited my whole life for this, watching all my dreams come true. Lost in this moment with you. feeling so absolute, there's no doubt. Sealing our love with a kiss, waited my whole life for this, watching all my dreams come true, lost in this moment with you, lost in the moment.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. Once boyfriend and girlfriend, today husband and wife, the new Mr. and Mrs. Michael Gatto.